Hello guys, it's your friend again. Today I want to show you this great Photoshop tips how you can place text around an object. My name is Felix and I'm from Comfort Developers and IT Solution, an ICT training company where we train people on how to build website, how to create graphics, artwork and lots more. So let me quickly show you how to do this with Photoshop. The first thing is I have my object, which is a shoe, so I'm going to place my object on the screen. So I'm going to place the object on the screen. I have my picture in the downloads file. Okay, and I would like to rotate the object. Let's say this is what the object looks like. So the next thing for me is to work with my pen tool. I'll click my pen to create a shape around the object. So I'll do that now. So if, for example, you are missing out something, you can. If there's a mistake in your selections when using the pen tool, you can hold down your control key to drag this one outside again to where it's supposed to be. So you can go ahead and continue with your selection until you get to the. Let's look at this now. I have this now, so I can click outside here and use my control key to make my adjustment. Okay, let me see. Is this it should be? No, it should be somewhere here. Okay, or I can undo the last selection. I can hold down my control key to bring this one backward. Then I'll click on this, okay, and I'll click on this, okay, I'll bring this one out now, then click on this to Control Z to undo. So I'll go on till I make my perfect selection. Okay, this should be out. Get my perfect shape. Okay, let's assume this is my perfect shape, and if you are not totally satisfied with the shape, you can always make modification with this particular direction selection tool. After all the shapes have been selected, you can start modification. But let's say I'm fine with this, you can start modifying each of the nodes in the shape, so until you get your own desired So after you are done, let's say I'm fine with this right now, all I need to do is remove the fill, so I can clearly see the picture of what I'm having. So with my direction selection, I can do more modification to my shape until I get my desired shape. So let's say I'm fine with this now. The next thing is to use my text tool. Now you place your text tool around this shape. Now when you do that, you find out that the text turns to something like a curve. That's a curve line. Your cursor turns to something else compared to the normal text, which means you are creating a curve text. So click on it now. By default, the text will be placed around it, which is the default size. You already have your text. Let's just paste it. Okay. I'm going to copy the text from here. I'm going to leave it as this now. Then I'm going to select this, Control A to select all the text, then Control A to select and Control P to paste. So let's assume the text doesn't fit 100% of this now. All I need to do is go down to the adjustment here, and I can adjust the text. Okay, I can use my adjustment to modify the text. This is for until it fits into my design. So that's all about how to place text around an object in Photoshop. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, click the like button and share with your friend. Thank you.